Some big winds here, guys. Huge fire danger today. Whoa. Strong. There's a PDS red flag warning in effect for Pullman. Don't make sparks or fire outside at all. Don't mow the grass. It's just things that you shouldn't be doing today that could create a wildfire in a hurry. Because we have persistent winds, gusts here up to 45. Like here's a gust coming through now. I don't know if that's quite 45, but at times we've seen gusts up to 45 miles an hour here. That tree over there, whipping in the wind. There's trees back here. So you get the point. Very windy, very hot, and very dry.